Hi guys, tonight I'll be showing you guys how to make some delicious soy sauce chicken. Very quick and easy to make for dinner. Hope you guys give this recipe a try. Let's begin. Okay guys, so for this soy sauce chicken, I got here 4 pieces of chicken legs over here. For the soy sauce chicken, everyone loves chicken legs for soy sauce chicken. So over here, I'm preheating my pan over here until it's very hot. And this chicken has been cleaned and drained and pat dried. So we're first going to add the oil and we will dump the chicken on top. Let's pour in some oil on this hot pan. Make sure it's hot so that the chicken skin doesn't stick onto the pan. Rinse this around. Okay guys, so first we're going to pan fry the chicken until it's golden crispy. Just lay this down. We're just going to let it cook on each side for about a few minutes until it turns golden crispy. Then we'll start adding in the soy sauce and other ingredients. Okay, let's give it a good flip. Okay, now just drizzle a little bit of soy sauce. This will help it get a better color on the skin. Let's flip the chicken around again. Okay, let's check on the chicken. Okay, just few more minutes here and then it should be done. Then you can add in the sauces. Okay guys, it's time to add in the sauces. So first over here I got 1 bowl of hot water. Just pour that in. Next I'm going to add in half a bowl of light soy sauce. So this is just your typical rice bowl over here. Just pour that in. Next we're going to drizzle some mushroom dark soy sauce just to get some good darker color. Mushroom dark soy sauce is sweeter. Let's just pour that in here. There you go. Then we're going to drizzle some oyster sauce. Just give a good drizzle of oyster sauce all around. Drizzle a little bit of Chinese rice wine. Next over here I got half a slab of Chinese brown sugar. This will help the sauce thicken up once the chicken is braised nicely. So I'm just going to pop this in the center here. And finally, over here I got some nectarine peel. So this is just a nectarine peel that has been dried for a few days and then it becomes solid. So we're just going to pop that in here. And then also got just 2 slices of ginger over here. Pop it in here. And then just a few garlic cloves over here. Also just pop it inside the sauce. Okay guys, so now I'm going to tune the heat to medium and I'm going to cover this with a lid. We're going to cook this for 20 minutes, but after 10 minutes we're going to flip the chicken legs around so that it gets equal cooking time. So 20 minutes these chicken legs should be ready. Okay guys, after 10 minutes let's check out our soy sauce chicken legs over here. Wow, looking good. It's time to give it a good flip. Okay, I'm gonna cover this back with a lid and let it braise for another 10 minutes, then it should be ready. Okay guys, after 20 minutes let's check out our soy sauce chicken here. Wow. Okay, now we're going to tune up the heat on the highest and we are going to reduce the sauce so that it thickens up onto the chicken legs over here. And then while it's on high heat, we're going to keep on flipping the chicken legs over here so that it doesn't burn. Once you get that correct thick sauciness, then it should be ready and then we can cut this up and it's ready for dinner guys. Oh, smelling so good guys. Hope you give this recipe a try and let me know how it went in the comments down below. And please don't forget to also subscribe to my YouTube channel And also follow my other social media accounts like TikTok and Instagram for quick previews of the recipes that I'll be making on YouTube, guys. Okay, it's almost ready. Look at how beautiful these chicken legs look. Okay guys, it should be ready. I don't need it to be so thick. This is the right consistency that I like. And also enough sauce that we'll pour over once this chicken is cut. So yeah, now it's time to cut these up, guys. Look at that, nice. Okay guys, let's chop the soy sauce chicken legs. Over here I'm just wearing some gloves because it's gonna be messy. Ooh, wow, let's check that out. Chop it up. Wow, look at that guys, yummy. Wow guys, check at that. Soy sauce chicken. The last step is to drizzle this plate with the remaining soy sauce. Wow, check that out. Okay, look at that guys. Simple and easy to make soy sauce chicken. Hope you guys give this recipe a try, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks guys for watching.